Hey, Mon here, and I am back with another Sylvanian families unboxing. This time I've got a hamster family. We've got mommy, daddy, brother and sister. They are called the Goldbacke family. And without further ado, let's begin. First out is Nick. He's the father hamster, and he works at the nursery, driving a nursery bus and bringing all the children to the nursery on time. So you can see he's got a driver cap. It's great because I've already opened nursery bus, so I can offer him job straight away. I really like his beautiful and very professional look. So that's Father Nick. Next out is Mother Emma. She also works at the nursery, and she is a nursery teacher. And she's very good with children. Children love going to nursery. She's got a very pretty dress. And she also has a job straight away, because I already have nursery as well. Oops. Sorry about that. Next we've got Nora. Nora is a student in a country tree school. She's a really good writer. She even wrote a script for a school plays. So that's Nora. And last but not least, we have Frank. Frank Goldbacke is a great runner, and he will one day become a famous athlete. I have no doubt about it. And there he is. And there they are, the Goldbacke family. Mom Emma, Father Nick, Sister Nora, and the brother Frank. I hope you like my newest addition to my Sylvanian families collection. Please leave a like under this video and consider subscribing if you would like to see more awesome content. Until next time, bye!